Today I'm answering one of the questions that was left in the comments of one of our videos. Here's the question we received. If I recently refinanced a loan, will that affect the approval of a debt consolidation loan? The short answer is yes, but the impact is probably small. Here are a few of the things that you ought to consider. The first thing, and most likely the reason the question was asked in the first place, is the impact to your credit score. When you refinance your loan, your credit score will drop for a few reasons. First is a hard inquiry that will be posted on your credit report. The second is the change in the average age of credit, because you've replaced an older established loan with the new one. And third is the new account posted to your credit. The real difficulty here is the impact will vary greatly based on your current credit report. If you have great credit with multiple long-term accounts, the drop could be small, maybe as little as 10 points. But if you have troubled credit or your credit file is thin with minimal use, you could see a big drop in your score, maybe as many as 50 points. Either way, your credit score should recover quickly as long as you're making on-time payments. The other question will be, how did the refinance impact your finances? Specifically your monthly payments. If the refinance significantly lowered your monthly payments, that could help you in your consolidation loan application. The last impact that I can see is that your recent refinance may trigger additional verifications from a potential consolidation lender. Recent loan activity can trigger possible red flags in a lender. Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, post them in the comments below or send us an email at theyukonproject.com. Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks a lot.